What's going on? We're back with another full day eating video where every single day I show you how to eat clean to be a lean machine. So whether you are looking to add weight by putting on muscle or lose weight by losing fat, it's one and the same. Don't fall for the gimmicks, don't fall for the shams. Everyone's trying to overcomplicate it. It's really not that complicated. Eat clean, be consistent in the gym, have some goddamn discipline. You are going to consequently have the physique you dream of. So we are starting off with some chia seed pudding and overnight oats. Every single morning on the weekdays, or days I have to work, so if I have to work on a weekend, this is what I'm rocking with. I like to make overnight oats and chia seeds nights before in mason jars. They sit in my fridge. I open up the fridge door, I grab my food, and I'm out the door. Don't have to go into a fast food drive-thru. Don't have to stress about what I'm going to eat. It's there for me, and it's high quality, high protein, good carbs, okay? So in the chia seed pudding, all the ingredients on everything we do is high quality, okay? So the sweetener's maple syrup, you see it sitting in the bottom, high quality maple syrup that is. We have chia seeds, almond milk, cashew yogurt, frozen fruit. The almond milk is homemade, not 100% necessary, but get the almond milks that have the least amount of ingredients possible. You don't want all of the seed oils and all the extra gums and nonsense that they like to put in there. There is a video on my channel showing how to make these two things. Not going to really go too deep into it today, but you can go seek it out if you wish. Overnight oats, we like to change the flavors every couple weeks. It is officially the fall, so we have been doing pumpkin oats, which is pumpkin puree, cup of oats, hemp seeds, chia seeds, peanut butter, because everything we put peanut butter in. I don't care what flavor it is, because we're looking to get that high calories, high protein, vegan athlete lifestyle, you know what I'm saying? Almond milk, maple syrup, and that is just about it. A couple spices, nothing crazy that you need to know about. You can Google easily these two things, how to make them. Shit, you can even make them not vegan if you really want to. So everybody's stressing about this being a vegan channel. You can make everything not vegan if you wish to. Add chicken to the side, put dairy milk. I could care less. I'm showing you what I do to be a lean machine, and I'm trying to inspire the vegans out there to step their game up, to get away from the processed foods, to get away from the tofus, fake meats, salads, processed foods, all that garbage, and to eat clean and put a new stamp on the vegan name. We are not soy boys. We are real athletes. We are actually eating healthy. Blood work says it all. Vegan 10 years. Been in fitness for 13 years straight. So majority of my fitness career has been through being vegan. So you can do it too. I'm out the door. I got to go to work. Getting these videos out is a little bit stressful on top of all the other shit I got going on. You know, going to the gym 8 motherfucking times a week. Yeah. 2 days being 2 days. 6 days a week. I'm in the gym and working full time, running my own business. Shit gets hectic, especially cooking at home every night. It ain't easy. We're not professional chefs. We're not social media influencers. We're not only dedicating our entire life to this. This is a part of our life. It is a lifestyle. It's not our entire life. That's what I'm trying to inspire, that it is possible for you to do the same, especially when a lot of the meals on this channel are instant pot. Like, how much easier does it get than pre-made breakfast and instant pot meals? Come on now. We'll see you here momentarily for meal number 2. Today is one of the days we're not using the Instant Pot, so we will be cooking on the stove because we have a little extra time. Today is the day that I take off of the gym, for your information. So we will see you here momentarily for meal number 2. Alrighty, we're closing it out here for dinner. We have some pinto bean and mushroom carnitas style tacos. When I think carnita, I always think pork. This is not pork. I don't even know if you can call it a carnita style taco if it's not pork.
Call whatever the fuck I want.
But you're going to see the overshot view right now. Absolutely lovely. Topped with some pickled onions, corn. And what is this sauce that we have on top of here?
Avocado crema.
It's an avocado crema. So it's got that good fat, baby. Yeah, you know how I feel about that. Good fat, good carbs, good protein, good sugar. Just another day in the life of eating like a high protein, clean, vegan athlete for a decade. You know how we do it. Leave some comments below. Click like. We will see you tomorrow for another video. We're having a late night dinner here. That's why I'm a little bit low energy, because I'm tired as shit, boy. But after this, it's bedtime, and we will see you tomorrow morning. Peace out.